Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here and welcome you all to my channel. So this video is regarding to our Google Sheet update. So we are facing some data issue. Last few days and last 3 days the Google Sheet is not running. And this week we have rectified the data issue on our monthly sheet. And weekly positional is also be same as a monthly positional right now, and intraday it's not going to show you the exact details because we are facing a data issue on intraday sheet only. So based on our logic which we have created to find out trades based on the Camarilla R4, so that may be having some data issues, that's why it is collapsing all our sheet. And but finally, so we have solved the problem in a monthly sheet only right now. So from tomorrow you will be going to get the update on a monthly basis, and weekly also same like a monthly, but weekly that doesn't update the data for next week. But as of now it is showing you the first week of the data, and monthly it's working right now. So based on our concepts, almost 8 to 9 stocks it moves more than our expected target, and some of the stock which triggers almost 30%, some stocks more. So based on our advanced option strategy concepts, which we are going to pick out some 2 to 3 stocks, and also due to this data issue, so our monthly IV sheet, so that we are using for our positional strategy, some of the stocks also not getting on this list, but we have some stocks we are fixing for this week, and from that extra I think it more, and some of the stocks because we are not tracking this. But from this list of stocks, if we find an opportunity, then it would be a better one. So let me check Maruti. Maruti, it's not triggered yet. Okay, so 12,000 is the strike price which you are looking for in Maruti, also be there in the list. Okay, so from based on this particular scanners, we have to find out monthly positional trades. And here it is in a real-time scanner which we can use for a monthly positional, weekly positional, as well as an intraday. But we have data problem, so those who are my subscribers, I can extend that, your validity from your 1 week or 10 days maybe. Okay, so weekly, don't confuse it. This is what an update video. So weekly positional, it looks the same as a monthly. So either if you are looking at a weekly or a monthly by tomorrow, both it's showing you the same data. So in intraday, it is showing you the data on the beginning of the month. And also one more concept which you have created, the first day of the month. So that would be a great idea. And you can see there is a lot of stocks which generate you such a good result. So this is one more concept based on the Camarilla R4. So for example, REC 530. So let me show you how we can use it. 530 call option. Okay, so this is what intraday purpose, but we can utilize in positional basis. This is based on the Camarilla R4. So we try to find the Camarilla R4, REC LTD 530 call option, and it is a here the data which shown on the first of the month. So REC LTD 530 call. So first that means the first day of the month. So here you can look at this, and this is what keep on rising. So we have already created a scanner, and this is what a breakout where 25.6 maybe it is showing you that exact data only because this is the first day of the month. So if you are using the Camarilla R4 for a positional breakout also, that is going to give you such a good result and a very limited risk or a low risk that you can apply our 2.1 or 3.2 strategy. That is also working well. What I'm exactly saying you. So here in this case, it is an inside Camarilla, right? So on the day one, so the day one, the R4 level where it is broken, 25.7, and the stop loss maybe the S4 that is around 20. So if I'm just looking at this is a concept, if you wish you can use it. 25.7 exactly the R4 level, and the S4 level is nearby 20. So if I'm taking a trade, okay, that should be my stop loss. That is for the S4. If I'm just taking this trade and it is keep on running with this stop loss, and now the market is 89. So based on our positional concept, we may be getting entry here somewhere. But in this concept, we will be getting earlier, and if that reverses from that level, and maybe if it is triggers, and you can look for a put options of that particular strike also, that will be going to give you such a better results. And let me check ITC 425. But this is a concept. I'm just you can just back test it. If it is works, then you can go for. So ITC when did it triggers were first of this month, where it is triggers that level somewhere around 11.35. Maybe I'm keeping a stop loss below 9 rupees that got triggered here in this particular point around the 9. So because S4, if I'm keeping a stop loss, that triggered, but after that it was keep on rising. Okay, so this is what on the day one R4 level. So first July R4 level, it is also be tomorrow also the same level will be sustained in this sheet because it is not updating it. So monthly sheet we are updating monthly one, but still the monthly sheet is working from tomorrow. And weekly, so it is also showing you the same data on the monthly. So don't confuse it, weekly data and intraday data. As of now, we are working on it. Maybe soon it will be rectified. And monthly data is working, those who are using our advanced option strategy. So you can also use our charting scanners which you have provided in the course itself. That will be helping you to find out positional trade breakouts or positional trade opportunities. At this moment, so monthly sheet is rectified, and intraday and weekly sheet we are waiting for an update. So I hope you understood the current situation. I apologize for that. Maybe it will be rectified soon. Okay, and a lot of stocks which we already given. So PFC, RSC, Lupin, and ITC in Aero Pharma. So these are all the stocks which is given in the entry, and almost it is moving more than 40%. And some stocks almost 30% is 16 stocks where it is moved from our breakout point. And this was an R4 level. So we have one more scanner in charting that is also showing you the R4 stocks, breakout stocks. So those who are my subscribe, that is a Google Sheet user. So you may be getting that R4 scanner. That is also working well. Let's tell you that what is that exact scanner. Yeah, so what an exact thing which I'm going to check. I'll let you open the dashboards. Yeah. So this is what an R4 dashboard. So where you can easily finding out what are the stocks, which time frame it is breaking the R4 and S4. So let's check Atul Chamber Axis Bank yesterday. It is breaking the R4 level and the second candle, which is not broken on the first candle. That is what the condition which you have coded. And let's look at this. The first candle is not broken. The second candle itself, the R4 level is broken. So if I'm just trying for an opportunity from this R4, maybe pivot 6 rupees and sorry R3, and pivot is almost 18 rupees. We don't want to take that much of risk from R3, and it was generating almost 28 points. So even if you are keeping a pivot as a stop loss, it is giving you more than 1:1. So this scanner will finding out the stocks. Based on that, you can do the option. With our Google Sheet, we are simply directly filtering out the stock option, but our charting scanners, we should find out the first stocks, and then we can find out the right strike price to find the opportunity. I hope you understood. We are facing some technical issues on the Google Sheet that may be rectified soon. And thank you so much. Thanks for supporting us, and thank you so much for joining. And scanners group also having a lot of scanners which is updated, and recent 2 scanners that I'll be updating today itself. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching, and keep supporting and subscribing the channel. Thank you.